Yo, poppin' guys, today I'm going to show you a little something that I got for my birthday that I've always been wanting to show you. So in a bit I'm just going to get up and go. So let's go. Right, you ready guys? And I'm going to turn it around. There's my freaking belly. If you want to know who they are, they're my two birds that I got for my birthday. And also, to show you that I'm happy, well, Logan Paul, if you are watching my vlog, please subscribe, because I've subscribed to you. And, well, hold on, if you can't see it. Well, it says the Logang hoodie, and it's on its way by Logan Paul. So, Logan Paul, thank you for delivering that to me. Because I am part of the Logan. So, I'm not a Logan Paul or like anything like that.
Get the fuck out my way, man. Get the fuck out my way.
And my new watch. Hold on. Right now it's... Right, so...
Even I don't want...
Guys! You know I love you guys and I appreciate it. Like, 5 subscribers. 5. The last time I was out, I was only on 3. So thank you guys, and I love you. Peace. Like and subscribe. Peace out.